Hello friends, if your ryanair app is not working and you want to know how to fix this issue, so keep watching this video. Today we are going to fix why ryanair app is not working in your phone. So let's get started. There may be several reasons behind this issue. Today, we are going to provide you all solution for iPhone users. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is fully working and you are getting good internet speed. Because sometimes due to internet issue, apps not working properly. If you still facing same issue, then try solution 2. Update your app. Make sure you are running latest version of your ryanair app. Open up App Store on your device and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the app. And if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you are running the latest version of the app. If you still facing same issue, then try solution 3. Then you need to clear app cache. For this, go to your device settings and then scroll down to find general and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone storage. From here, search for the app and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on offload app. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should fix the issue. If you still facing same issue, then try solution 4. Now you need to completely reinstall the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to navigate all the way to the app page. Once you're on this screen, tap on delete app to uninstall the app from your device. Once uninstalled, open up App Store and then search for the app here. And then click on this get button to install it back on your device. If you still facing same issue, then try solution 5. Restart your phone. Sometimes restarting devices automatic resolve these types issues. Hopefully this will fix the issue. If you still facing same issue, this mean app server is down or the app is in under maintenance. In that case, wait for couple of hours and then try again. Hope you liked this video. If yes, then hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.